check this out. I have this cool photo of mine, and when I press on a secret button, it gives it a dramatic cinematic look, which is awesome and mind-blowing when it is done with just one click. I will reveal the secret, but first look at this normal photo. Nothing wrong, right? Well, we can add some cool snow effect by clicking on a similar button like before, and boom, look at this, before and after. Now you might be thinking, how am I doing these magic tricks? Well, this is a Photoshop tool that I have created, and you can download it from the link in the video's description. Let me show you some more example and explain how to use it. Okay, once you download it from the description, open the folder and double click on the action, and Photoshop will automatically install it. Now all you have to do is to go to Windows and choose Action, and there it is. So in this example, as you can see, we have an overexposed photo, and we can use this Photoshop action to enhance it. All we have to do is to click on the option for fixing overexposed photo, and it will do the rest. As you can see, it has fixed it, and we can further adjust if needed. Let me show you some more example. Now let's fix this boring photo I captured. As you can see, it is not great, and it would look better with an autumn effect before uploading to social media. To do so, just select the autumn effect action and play it, and see the magic. Bam! As you can see, we have give it an autumn effect with just one click. Now let's look at another example. Let's say you have captured a photo in daylight, but you want to give it a night look. Is it possible with this action? With the Color Corrector Photoshop action? Yes, it is. All you have to do is to click on the night effect to apply it, and you are done. You can also adjust the setting yourself because it is fully customizable. Anyways, let's move on to the next example. Remember the example where we fixed overexposed photo? Well, we can fix underexposed photo with this action tool. Just click on fix underexposed and it will take care of it. Once it is done, you can adjust the setting according to your liking. Now on to the next one. Next we have this photo, and I want to add some drama to it. So I'll just click on dark moody effect. This will give the photo a dark moody vibe, which looks amazing. Now let's jump to the next one. This feature will be a dream for many photographers because it allows us to give images an orange and teal look, which is a very popular effect in photography, and I just did it in one click. Amazing. On to the next one. Let's say you want to reveal details in a photo. You can do that with this tool too. Just click on the effect and it will do the rest. It transforms a smooth and blurry photo into a crisp and sharp images with just one click. Amazing. The last two features are for expert and advanced user. Let's say you have worked on a photo and retouched it, but there are still pimples or imperfections that need to be removed. To make it easier to spot, we can use the spot detector feature. I'll just select it and play it. Now as you can see, it has made the spot visible and more easier to see, and we can easily remove them with spot healing tool. The final feature is also for photographers. Let's say you have captured a photo and want to enhance the lightness and shadow. You know how powerful some adjustments are in Photoshop. In this scenario, I want to apply a curves adjustment only to the highlights. To do that, I can click on the luminosity mask button, and it will create a lightness mask for me using the luminosity mask. And now I can apply any adjustment to the highlights. Look at the difference. Before and after. Amazing. So that was the Color Corrector Photoshop action, but that's not all. I have other Photoshop tools to share them with you, so feel free to subscribe and watch this video where I talk about another Photoshop tool. I'll see you there. Until then, peace.